Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar, and recently I've been posting a lot of shorts on YouTube from my TikTok account, and one of them has been gaining a little bit of attention. Naturally, a lot of people on YouTube look up how to do Rock the Baby, and I posted my advanced variation of it, my trick called Playground, and I've gotten some messages about it. People want to learn it, so I think we're just gonna do it today. So for this trick, it'll be easier if you, of course, know Rock the Baby, but the wrist mount and a jump rope would be good to know too. So let's just do it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is throw a wrist mount, but we're going to go around both of our wrists. So I go around this one, and I land it in the middle. And then to complete it, I'm just going to turn my non-throw hand towards me and kind of get this variation, but if you drop it, it's just a wrist mount. So step 2, after you go into your funky wrist mount, you're going to hop the yo-yo up onto this top string. You can even kind of yank it by pulling your hands apart and getting it up on there, but really you are just hopping the yo-yo from here up to the top. It doesn't really matter where it lands. So now we'll start getting into some of the intricacies of the trick. We've got it hopped up. Your right hand is going to go under and around, okay, like that. And then this hand is just going to twist. Okay, and when you drop it, again, you're just in a wrist mount. So this is just some twisty, flashy things that I came up with out of a wrist mount. So don't get discouraged. Again, okay, here, and then this one goes like this, okay? These two strings are going to be twisted, and then this is just wrapped around like a wrist mount. If you drop it, you're gonna get a twisty looking wrist mount. Okay, so we've gone around both wrists, turned this hand out, hopped it up, gone down and around, and twisted this one out. Now, the only thing we're doing here is untwisting these strings. So from here to here, you're bringing that string forward. That's the only thing you're gonna do in the next step. The devil's in the details. There is like a correct way. If you pull the string in the wrong direction, you might twist them more. So just know you are untwisting the strings with this step. So another really simple step coming up. So once you untwist these strings, you're just going to hop the yo-yo up onto the top string, okay? At this point, you can drop the yo-yo if you need to. Again, we're just getting out of a wrist mount at this point, so if you need to practice up until this step, this is a good place that you can just drop the string. All right, so we go around both wrists, we hop the yo-yo up, we twist, untwist, hop up, and now the next part, you're going to throw the yo-yo out, and you're gonna kind of flip your hand and go in this circle motion. Then you're going to bring your non-throw hand down, so it opens up like this, and you're going to twist this. At this point, this is where you can do your Rock the Baby. And once you're done rocking the baby, you're gonna mount the yo-yo on this string that is furthest away from you, okay, here, and drop all the string off of your throw hand, and you're gonna land in a green triangle. Again, here, here, up, out, and around. Twist your throw hand and then open it up like Rock the Baby. Once you're done, mount it on the front string, drop it. You're gonna have a few twists, doesn't matter how many you have. And then that green triangle, you're gonna hop towards you. So this last part of the trick, you are just going to perform a green triangle jump rope, is the best way to describe it. So you're in your triangle here, you're going to hop it up towards you and then land it on the string, like that. Can't believe I landed that. And from there, you can bind. So once again, all together. I hope that makes sense. I know it's a more complicated trick. I tried to teach someone else and they didn't get it, but really you're just doing some variations in a wrist mount and then going into the Rock the Baby and a jump rope. Just pay attention to where the string is moving and how you move your hands, and you'll get everything lined up correctly. As always, if you have questions, please ask them in the comments below and always be respectful. I also want to thank y'all for getting me to 100 subscribers. Please no one leave, otherwise this video will be inaccurate, but I really want to thank you for subscribing to the channel because it just means a lot to me that people are interested in learning how to yo-yo and letting me teach them how to yo-yo. Thank y'all so much for watching. My name's Ashley, aka AT Yo-Yo Superstar. See you next time. Okay, bye.